when you do a comparative analysis of Ramayana with the Rig Veda, we get a very growth of the geography. You can see the Vedic geography slowly transforming into the Aitihasic geography of Ramayana. And when you actually do a comparative analysis of Ramayana with Mahabharata, there is again a clear connection with the Ramayana geography and the Mahabharata geography, or the geography of Ramayana, that is the current book. These are the salient points I have to bring into the new audience. Those people who already read it, they'll be having a full idea about the book. So the book is globally released into all over the world, like it is available in India, UK, USA through Amazon, and it's there in Flipkart and Notion Press, especially in India. And we have to understand the genre of this particular book, that is Aitihasic Geochronology. That is the genre of this book. And you can also categorize it as a history book or a geography book. But definitely, it is having utmost interest to all the Bharatiyas and everybody who is a devotee of Ram, because it's about the geography that Sri Rama is aware of during his lifetime. And of course, other contributors to the Ramayana, that is Agastya, who has traveled into the south, and other rishis like Chyavana, who has been focusing onto the western side of the geography. All these things are mentioned in my book, how this entire information about the geography got captured by Valmiki, and then it has been presented into the Adi Kavya or the Itihasa, that is Ramayana. Of course, the main contributor is Sri Rama himself, who has traveled all these locations. And this is a book, one of a kind, because this is the one of the rarest book which is comparing Rigvedic geography and chronology with the Ramayana geography and chronology. I don't see many authors who do a comparative analysis of these two very widely different texts. And it is also one of the rare books, but maybe we may have many books which compare Ramayana and Mahabharata. So there is comparison of Ramayana data with Rigvedic data as well as with the Mahabharata data. So these three books compare it, like doing a cross comparison of the geography and chronology. This is the only book that is currently available. And the entire slokas, entire sargas, around 606 sargas are there in the critical edition of the Valmiki Ramayana. And there are 18,670 slokas, Sanskrit slokas in the Valmiki Ramayana, especially the critical edition of the Valmiki Ramayana. So none of these data in any of these sargas or slokas are ignored in this particular analysis of Valmiki Ramayana.